Okay, just a shout out to Mike, the trainer, who has a PhD in health education, master's in exercise science, and I just started his training program for the sliding bench training, and you can see it. It's I don't want to show the whole thing, but I did the lower body day. So just want to show real quick. I just got the sliding bench today, and this is the squat board I made. I just wanted to show this modification. So I just did 2 sets of 20 reps of the single leg squats, and there's side squats, face down squats, and face up single leg, and then there's face down full or 2 legs and face up 2 legs. So there's 5 reps of, and I did 2 sets of 20 reps for each 5 exercises. So, and anyway, so this is the squat stand that I just made today. I got these at Harbor Freight, these ratchets for a set of 4 for $7. So I just used 2 ratchets. Then I got these 2x10s, 2x10, 3 feet long, cut that in half approximately. And then it took me a while to just jerry rig it on there, but it didn't move at all. It held up really well. You can see there's some, there's a little bit of give to it, but I can maybe just tighten this a little bit. Anyway, yeah, so I thought, well, maybe I could have got it higher up, but then Mike's like, well, he doesn't think you have to have your feet higher than your knees. So I figure didn't seem to be an issue for me. And I put the new wheels on the sliding board. And even though this is a cheaper model, it only came off once early on. But I wasn't like being super careful or anything. And I put silicone grease, and it doesn't squeak at all. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I didn't go to exhaustion, but I went pretty close. So I think I'm definitely gonna feel it. Yeah, like I said, this was a rehab. This was supposedly a refurbished board. I just got silicone on my fingers because I'm touching this thing. Anyway, keep it. So I'm just keeping that in the closet here. And so, pretty excited. I tend to beat things up pretty fast, so hopefully it'll last a little bit. But once I get going on Mike's training program, that's 4 days a week of training, and so you can see it fits easily in the closet. I can close the door, and on the day off, I think he just do like 15 minutes on the day off. So I tried the ab cruncher, and I could definitely feel it in the abs. I did the push-ups, or push arms, or I'm not sure what they're called, but those are great. The pull-ups were great. I really like the butterfly back exercises. And what else did I do? I did some biceps. I had it set at the highest setting for some of that stuff. On the squats, when I had it face down, at one point I had my heels over the top of the squat stand so I could like stop from slipping down the squat stand. So that's kind of funny. And then that made it a lot like harder to do. So for my first workout, I was very happy. It held up fine and definitely got enough of a workout. And then I'm going to do the 10 minutes on the resistance bicycle, just as a like cool down, as his training, what his training program recommends. So I think I did like 30 minutes on the sliding board or total gym. And then I'll be getting the resistance bands in the mail. I ordered those directly from China on AliExpress because that was like half price. And the latex, they're the orange ones, so they're thicker. Like they're the second highest resistance level. Yeah, so I think with those resistance bands, I mean, I should have no problem like continuing to have a challenge out of this thing. And I could already feel it. Like when I started out doing the back exercises, that butterfly thing, that's pulls your shoulders back. I really wanted to do that and works your lats and your back. And it's like, wow, those are muscles I've been craving to exercise. And that's why I got this thing, so I could target these muscles that otherwise I normally cannot exercise. And so, yeah, the squat board, this is what I wanted to really point out, is that this thing is super solid, 2 inches. It only cost me like $12 because it was $8 for this, for the ratchets, and then $4.50 for this. It was like $7.50 and $4.50. Yeah, so it's a lot cheaper than $100 for. Of course, it came with the Pilates stand, but anyway, so that worked out. I did the squat, the lower body day of squats, and it seems like it's gonna hold up just fine. I guess it does move a little bit. I'll try to tighten it down. Let's see. But because I'm pressing against it. I'm not like pulling it that way. So yeah, I'm pretty excited because it's, as far as it coming off the rails, that didn't seem to be really a problem. And so basically I spent $300 for the new wheels. And I'm definitely glad I put the new wheels on because that's probably helped keep it from sliding off. But obviously those wheels are going to hold up forever, so that will not be a problem as far as the wheels breaking down. And other than that, it seems like a pretty solid machine. The ab cruncher, the pull-up bar, push-up bar thing, and the squat board. And yeah, there's a ton of exercises I have not even tried yet, but I just wanted to kick right into Mike's training program So tomorrow we'll be doing the upper body exercises. And I'll just leave it at that. He's got a great, he has video links for where he shows you the exercise. You just click on the link and then it plays on YouTube that specific exercise. And he has the image. So I recommend getting his training program on the PDF, and then you can just get started on the training, and it's gonna be really exciting. This thing's been around for 50 years, but I kind of knew about it. But I never really thought about it much because I never watched infomercials. So, I'd heard about it, but I probably like saw it like changing the channel or something. I just think it's a really cool design, and I know some people think it's a complete waste, but I just think if you make these modifications that Mike recommends with the Huck product wheels, this is the Huck wheel, and he recommends taking off the oops, that was my address. So well, he recommends taking off the glide board, sliding board. Yeah, $60. I think there was a little bit shipping and handling. Yeah, for 4 wheels with the bearings. So yeah, anyway. Oh, he says to make sure you take the squat stand out when you are doing any other exercises. We recommend removing it when not using it. So there you go. That's something I need to be reminded of, to remove the squat stand when I'm not using it. So I'll definitely tomorrow I will not use the squat stand. All right, thanks.